Alright, this is Wildwood Sanitarium. We're replacing the roof over top of the doll room.
Yep.
Had to rip all this wall out, all this ceiling out. Got two guys up there sheeting it right now. This has all been leaking down this wall here. These are concrete blocks, and the whole inside of them is gone. Don't really know what to do with it at this point. It's one of those things that you just need money to throw at it. Something I have none of. This window is all rotted. I'm doing what I can here. I'm doing some stuff with wood here to try to get the load spread out a little bit. We're jacking it up. As you can see, that beam up there is all rotted and gone. But I'm going to be putting in some of these little studs all the way across to help it out. I got three of these here. I'll take some more videos as we go. Maybe get some more in the daylight later. But this is the doll room here. There will be people staying here. By 3 o'clock tomorrow, I have to have this as a doll room again. I don't know how I'm going to do this. We have nothing but an absolute mess. And 3 o'clock tomorrow is supposed to have guests.